Good morning. Have you ever wondered what the composition of your home soil might be? Well, today I'm going to show you in some quick and easy steps how to determine the composition of your own soil without having to resort to an expensive soil analysis. So for today's episode, we're going to be learning soil test in a jar. All you need are 4 simple things: a jar, soil from any yard or garden, a ruler, a pen, and as well as some time as can be afforded during retirement or a global pandemic. Let's get started. So first of all, fill your jar with a good core of soil halfway, and then the other half simply with water. For about 3 minutes, shake vigorously so that all of the contents are mixed together. Again, 3 to 5 minutes is an important step. Next, you simply take your jar and leave it aside for about a 24-hour period. That will allow the soil to stratify into its various component layers. Now I'm going to skip ahead and show you what my jar looks like. I picked a larger jar just to demonstrate. This is after 24 hours, and I'm not sure this is projecting well, but there's 3 distinct layers that have formed. There's a very dark layer, a lighter middle layer, and an even lighter upper layer. Those 3 layers are the 3 main layers of your soil. The bottommost layer is sand, and ideally that should be 40% of your soil composition. The middle layer is the silt layer, also should be about 40% of your soil composition. The top layer is clay, which should be 20%. Well, you may wonder, how do we know the percentages of my own soil? That's simple math. You simply measure the height of your water. In my example, it's about 11 centimeters. Then you measure the height of each of the individual 3 layers. From there, you know what to do. There is still science, no matter what people tell you, there's a room for science these days. You simply put the denominator as the big number, the total water. The numerator is the individual layers. Divide, multiply by 100, and you have your percentages right there. So that's all there is to it. I'm going to show you my results and then make a few comments about what it may mean for me and my future growing needs. So my results showed basically my clay was 54% roughly. My silt was 18% and my sand was 27%. Again, the ideals are sand 40, silt 40, clay 20. So as I knew going into this, I have predominantly clay, which makes it hard for growing plants and grass, etc. But now at least I know what I'm dealing with. Clay can be difficult. You will need to add mulch. You'll need to add, perhaps if you're planting a garden, you may even consider a raised garden with some good organic soil, because the clay is not conducive to good growth. If you're high in sand, you may simply just need to add a mulch layer so that moisture can be contained. Anyways, this took 24 hours. I know my composition now very scientifically, and that's all there is to it. So until the next episode, enjoy your gardening, and we'll see you then. Thank you.